Each year, vast amounts of money are spent by insurance companies training their adjusters on how to dispute the validity of claims and the value of claims. Claims are basically denied all the time. The most direct way to dispute a claim is to deny it altogether. Whether it be that the insured may have received a citation for a ticket in an automobile accident, or whether they feel that you, as the person injured, was more at fault for the accident. The problem with their theory is that it is not always possible to ascertain the extent of the injury. For example, many injuries are soft tissue injuries. Those are injuries that a chiropractor will address. It may not be a broken bone necessarily, or something that you have to have surgery on right away. So those are more difficult to assess. The other issue that comes into play, in Georgia we have a doctrine called the eggshell plaintiff theory. So insurance companies like to say, well, you really weren't injured in this particular accident because when you were playing basketball in high school you hurt your back. Well, under the eggshell plaintiff doctrine in Georgia, what that entails is that you take your plaintiff as you find them. So in a car accident, if you're hurt and your back is injured, any exacerbation of that injury, even from a basketball accident, is compensable in nature. So that helps us too as plaintiff's attorneys, so that we're not immediately stopped from recovering for your injuries if you had a similar injury prior to that. Another problem that you have in personal injury assessment with claims adjusters is they like to say that you didn't go to the doctor right away. You waited a couple days. And we all know that that can happen, whether it be that you called for an appointment and you weren't able to make one right away, or maybe you didn't have transportation at that particular time. You couldn't drive maybe because of your injury. But they're notorious, insurance agents or adjusters, are notorious for pointing that out. That if you were so hurt, you would go right away. You would go by helicopter or ambulance. Well, that's not necessarily the case, especially in a soft tissue injury, where it takes a few days to feel the pain from the injury. So when you come in to see our attorneys here, we have a group of seasoned attorneys who will walk you through the process, get you into the doctor right away, so that you don't have to fight off the insurance company by yourself. We have the knowledge and we have the expertise in litigation where if the claim is denied, we file a lawsuit. Some law firms you'll see do not file lawsuits in the metro area. We, on the other hand, regularly file them. And we take them all the way through trial, whether it be a jury trial or a bench trial. So we're here to guide you through the process and to get you the best recovery that we can.